In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly close your books on Vagaro, a process that can be completed in about 5 minutes, but might take just a bit longer as we walk through each step together. First things first, let's navigate to the Vagaro platform. Whether you're using a desktop or mobile device, the process begins by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the URL for Vagaro. Once the homepage loads, you'll immediately spot the login button located at the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on login will reveal a few options for accessing your account, but for ease of use and added security, we recommend clicking on login with Google. This option allows you to use your Google account credentials to access Vagaro, streamlining the login process and reducing the number of passwords you need to remember. After selecting login with Google, the next step involves choosing the Google account you wish to use. Depending on how many accounts you have, you might see a list. Just be sure to select the account that's associated with your Vagaro profile. Once you've successfully logged in, the system will guide you to the main dashboard. Here you'll want to navigate to the Go to My Business section. This is where the magic happens, where you can manage appointments, client interactions, and importantly, your service settings. Let's dive a little deeper into managing your settings. Look for the Settings option, which you can easily find through a quick glance over the Vagaro interface. Clicking on Settings opens up a wide range of options, but for now our focus is on the Booking section. Within the Booking area, there's a critical setting we need to adjust, known as Online Appointment Rules. Clicking on this will bring you to a page where you can manage how clients book appointments with you. One key feature here is the Block New Customers from Online Booking option. This might have been enabled for various reasons, but if your goal is to close your books, temporarily turning this feature off is a necessary step. After disabling the ability for new customers to book online, don't forget to hit Save to apply your changes. This action ensures that any adjustments you've made are recorded and effective immediately. But wait, there's a bit more fine-tuning we can do. Return to the online appointment rules to access a very important section, Employee Profiles. This is where you can adjust individual settings for each staff member, ensuring the changes align with everyone's schedules and availability. Navigating to Employee Profiles presents you with a list of your team members. Choose a profile to highlight. This will allow you to make specific adjustments. Within an employee's profile, look for the hours setting. This enables you to tailor working hours, an essential step if you want to manage bookings and availability accurately. For this example, let's focus on adjusting the schedule for Monday. Clicking on Monday opens up the ability to set specific work hours, breaks, or even mark the day as a non-working day depending on what's needed for closing your books or managing your schedule more effectively. After you've made the necessary adjustments to the schedule, pressing Save is crucial. This finalizes your changes, ensuring that your new availability, or lack thereof, is reflected accurately to anyone trying to book an appointment. With that last step, you've successfully navigated the process of closing your books on Vagaro. Remember, this doesn't have to be a permanent change. Whether you're taking a well-deserved vacation, making strategic adjustments to your business model, or simply need a brief hiatus, Vagaro's flexible settings allow you to manage your availability in a way that best suits your needs. Before we conclude, a quick recap of key points to ensure a smooth experience. Always ensure you're logged into the correct Google account. Remember to save changes at every step, and carefully review your availability and booking rules to prevent any unforeseen booking mishaps. That's all for today's tutorial on closing your books on Vagaro. I hope this guide has been helpful, providing you with the clarity and confidence to manage your appointments and availability effectively. Thank you for joining me, and keep an eye out for more helpful tips and tutorials.